Hello students, kindly take out Standard 5 Social Studies Chapter 2, page number 15. Today we will do revision. First we will learn keywords. Symbol, a sign used to show something. Scale, the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance on the map. Example, 1 cm is equal to 20 km. Now I know. A map is a drawing of the whole earth or a part of the earth on a plain surface like paper. We can understand maps more quickly than globes. The elements of a map are directions, scale, colors and symbols and sign. We must remember 5 Ds to understand a map in a perfect way. Students, now we will do exercise A. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. On a map, 1000 m has been shown as 1 cm. The scale of the map is A. 1 cm 100 km. Number 2. A political map shows D. Both A and B is the correct answer. Number 3. The light blue color of a map shows B number, oceans. Number 4. Which symbol represents a boundary between two countries? A is the correct answer. Number 5. Northeast lies between B, north and east. B numbers, fill in the blanks. Number 1. A map is always drawn on a flat surface. Number 2. Signs used to show features are called conventional signs. Number 3. A top of a map shows north directions. Number 4. Shapes or signs used to represent features on a map are called symbol. Number 5. Description is one of 5 Ds when we preface to read a map. Dear students, turn the page. Number 3. Match the following. 1. Dam. 2. Forest. 3. Bridge. 4. Rest house. 5. Capital city. D. Write true or false. Number 1. Symbols of a map stand for various features shown on it. True. Number 2. We use a scale to measure the height of a map. False. Number 3. Maps are more handy than globes. True. 4. The top of the map shows the east direction. False. 5. We cannot show a well on a map. False. Students, E, F and G, these question answers you write in the revision copy and learn. Activity time. Number 1. Draw 6 symbols of important places near your school. Name of place, symbol. Number 1. Monument. See, this is the monument, symbol. Bridge, symbol. Stream, symbol. Dam, symbol. Metalled, this is the metalled symbol. Unmetalled, This is the unmetalled symbol. Number 2. Encircle the 4 elements of a map and name them. Encircle the 4 elements of a map and name them. See, direction, color, symbol and scale. These are the 4 elements of a map. And you write here 1, 2, 3, 4. Direction, symbol, scale and color. Students, thank you.